Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Measure ingredients precisely. Pour 4 cups whole milk into a saucepan and set aside. In a small bowl, whisk 3 tablespoons custard powder with 1/2 cup cold milk to make a smooth slurry without lumps. Add 1/2 cup sugar to the saucepan. Soak 1/4 teaspoons saffron in 2 tablespoons warm milk for 10 minutes to release color and flavor. Chop 10 to 12 pistachios fine and reserve a tablespoon for garnish. Keep all components ready before you heat the milk. Place the saucepan with the 4 cups milk and 1/2 cup sugar over medium heat and warm until small bubbles form at the edge, not a full boil. Stir continuously and scoop 3 spoonfuls of the hot milk into the custard slurry to temper it, then pour the slurry back into the pan while whisking to prevent lumps. Keep stirring and cook on low heat until the mixture thickens noticeably. Simmer gently for 4 to 5 minutes so the custard powder fully gelatinizes and loses any raw taste. When the custard has thickened, stir in the soaked saffron milk and fold in most of the chopped pistachios, saving a tablespoon for garnish. Remove from heat and let cool slightly at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes, then pour into serving dishes and cover to prevent skin forming before refrigerating. Chill the Kesar Pista custard at least 3 to 4 hours until set. Garnish with reserved pistachios and a few saffron strands when serving. Store refrigerated up to 2 days and reheat gently or thin with.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.